I'm John Vasco. I'm here at AIChE spring meeting, and I'd like to introduce Jasmine Lee, a YP. So Jasmine, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, what your specialty is, where you live, all that.
Okay. I am a graduate of the University of Texas at Austin. I work for a small software company doing planning and scheduling software. I've been there for about a year and a half. Before that, I worked for Siemens doing a similar role, some software implementation. I've been working with YPAB pretty much since my graduation. So right now I'm on the national committee, and I help out with I'm a liaison between local sections and the national committee.
Okay. And what motivated you to become a chemical engineer?
I started out as a biochemistry major, and I added chemical engineering because it was a challenge, and I knew that it would continue to be a challenge throughout my career. And it really has been expanding for me. So I never would have imagined that I would ever work for a software company, for instance. I mean, definitely no programmer, but I'm really enjoying what I'm doing, and every single day is different, and it's always a challenge.
That's great. And what would you say, like here at this conference, is what's like the important thing you'd like to achieve while you're here?
I'd like to interface with as many young professionals as I can. We're working on a new mentor program in the young professionals, and I'd like to see if they think that would be beneficial to them and what kind of things they'd like to get out of a potential mentorship program. I'd also like to get some ideas for what I can be doing between now and the next national conference to help the young professionals group. So since we only meet as a national committee about twice a year, you get kind of lost sometimes month to month knowing, okay, what can I do next to keep advancing our initiatives?
Right.
So I want to get as much information as I can and talk to as many other young professionals as I can to figure out what I can be doing in these next upcoming months.
Right. So you feel being a young professional member of AIChE has been beneficial to you?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, definitely. The other young professionals that I've met have helped me through 2 layoffs already.
Oh, wow.
I've only been working for 4 years, and I've been laid off twice. So.
Well, I guess you started working at a time when layoffs were becoming more common too.
And you know, they were there to help me figure out what to do next. They've become my friends, and they're from all different sectors of the industry, so I can see if I ever wanted to do something totally different, I could, you know, interface with them and see what's next for me.
Perfect. Well, it sounds like it's worked out really well. Have a great conference then, Jasmine. Thanks.
Thank you.